carry her very proudly because she's that. Before I even start this video, I have one question for you. Did you subscribe? Did you subscribe? Did you hit that notification button? Did you leave a comment? All right. Anyway, you guys, hi. My name is Twala, aka Sister Cole, and how are you guys doing? I'm going to be opening up some PR packaging that I got. I want to show you a purchase as well. So let's get into this video. Okay, so the first package that I want to share with you guys, excited for this one, a company named Babala Bag, and I hope that I pronounced their name correctly. All the information of Babala Bag is going to be in my description box. Make sure you go check it out. But they sent me this beautiful bag that I want to share with you guys. All right. I did open it up. I had to take a look at it. I could not wait. But I do want you to know that the bag is made by premium leather, and the craftsmanship of this bag is chef kiss. All right, so let's get into the bag. All right, so I want to show you the box that it came in. It came in this box. However, because it came from afar, the box did get a little beat up, okay? But the bag didn't. In this dust bag right here, okay? And this nice little tissue paper. And here we go. Absolutely a gorgeous. Look at the bag, y'all. It also came, okay, a ribbon. It came with this little folder right here with documents and paperwork. Little booklet. Here she is. You guys, absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous, you guys. Beautiful. The leather is very soft. It's very nice. This bag is structured very well. The hardware is awesome, you guys. The hardware is hardwaring. Okay, the engraving is amazing. All right, I'll let you guys see the hardware on the outside. Here it is on the inside. Okay, it comes with a longer strap. The bag comes with a longer, see, it's a chain. So you can carry it as a top handle or a crossbody. Yo, this chain is amazing. The chain is amazing, you guys. Quality A1. The quality is amazing. The quality is amazing. Okay. All right, and here is the inside bag. This is the inside of the bag. Okay, you guys, this is the inside. All right, so this bag right here, I'm not gonna hold you guys, but this bag is made it's made very well. It is gorgeous. It is a gorgeous bag. It is gorgeous. Structure nice. The design is A1. The hardware is absolutely amazing. She's cute. She's absolutely cute. Again, all of the information will be put in my description box. Okay? In my description box. And you guys make sure you go to my description box and you can find out everything you need to know about this gorgeous, beautiful 100% leather bag. You know, you can carry her very proudly because she's that girl. Very nice. All right, you guys. I have Dossier also sent me over some scents, you guys, to share with you guys. You know, at this point, me and Dossier is just family at this point. All right. If you guys don't know now, you know, I love me some Dossier. And this is like absolutely 100% real, baby. I love me some Dossier. Dossier is like my everyday perfume. This is like what I wear to work, you know, when I'm stepping out. It's just that go-to for me. And I love it. And I love Dossier because you can mix the scents and create your own little scent, and I love that for me. And they also inspired fragrances of popular fragrances, if that makes sense. You know, Dossier is also made in France, is cruelty free, and it's non-toxic. Let's talk about it. All right, so they sent me over. I have the clean. This one is Airy Linens, the Clean Comforts collection, okay? This right here is unisex. It's unisex. I love that because sometimes my husband loves to spray on my stuff. And, you know, it's like, you know, bruh, get your own. But look, we can share this one. At this point, I'm sharing like everything with him because like I said, he loves it too. He absolutely loves Dossier as well. Okay, so this is called Airy Linen. Airy Linen, you guys. Here it is. And you can tell by the name, it's just a nice fresh scent. Almost like, you know, reminding you of when you do your laundry. Oh my goodness, you guys, my Lord. You know what? It's lemon. I know for a fact this has got lemon. It smells so lemony fresh. It does. It really do. So what does it say? An intimate delight of freshly laundered sheets against bare skin. Clean and crisp. It is definitely crisp. Capturing the simple elegance of purity itself. You know what? It is definitely crisp. It smells so good, you guys. You know what? I smell lemon. I absolutely smell lemon. Does it have the notes on this? Does it have the notes or not? I don't see the notes at this time. And this box is too small, child. I cannot read it. But you guys, it smells so good. I love that for me. I love a fresh scent. It smells nice. And you know what, too? It's not like a faint fresh scent either, because sometimes you guys notice like with clean fragrances sometimes it be like very faint, like it's just faint, very intimate, very faint. Not this. This right here is very crisp, airy, but it is also like it's smelling like the scent is booming. You know, it's definitely it smells. So what else do I have here? This one right here is called Eternal Bloom. All right, Eternal Bloom. Like I'm definitely getting into like a floral. I'm really getting into them. Like I love Gourmand is like my favorite, vanilla specifically. You know, I know you guys, if you watch me, you know that already. But I am stepping out of the box because I realize I also like floral as well. This is called Eternal Bloom, the Floral Euphoria Collection. All right, I know I'm gonna like this. Let me see. Yo, she smells so good. Very pretty. She smells very, very pretty. It says, escape to an uplifting and bright floral fantasy with neroli, Lang Lang, and what is this? Champaka notes. Okay. Smell good. I know I messed up that name, Champaka. I think it's Champaka notes. But you guys, she smells so good. You You know what? It's definitely a bit. This is a very floral smell for true. Very floral, very intimate, but powerful. It's also powerful. I love that. Just in time for Father's Day. The unisex one. This right here is called Sunset Haze. The Floral Euphoria Collection. So Sunset Haze. All right, so this right here is another floral scent. Here's the box for this one. Did I show you the last box? The last box? Look at these boxes. Aren't they cute? These boxes, you notice they're a little bit different from their usual boxes. All right, let's see this. Sunset Haze. Okay. Sunset Haze. Let's spray Sunset Haze up here. Ooh. She smells good too. Nice. It's a very nice floral as well. She's strong. She nice and strong. This is very nice, very strong. I love that. Very nice, very pretty. This is like so good for a night out. This is good for a night out. So it's like making a statement. It's very feminine. Very feminine. Yep, very feminine, you guys. I love that for me. This would be nice on a nice little date. And this right here, this with Eternal Bloom. I can see mixing these two together. That would be a very strong floral presence. All right, so the next one right here is Ambery Sage. Ambery Sage. Yo, give me anything sage. Love it. All right, this is the Ambery Sage. Let's see what she's given. Let me spray it on this arm. Smells so good. I love an Ambery Sage. I love anything with amber in it. Smells so good. Okay, this one is very intimate. Very intimate. Very nice for a date night. Like a vanilla scent. It would go so good with this right here. So that's how I would do it. I would match this up with a nice vanilla scent. We're going to go with the Foray Pink Pepper. Or Folger Pink Pepper. All right, let's see what it's giving. This is inspired by Gucci Guilty. Gucci's Guilty, okay? Oh, yeah, and the one before that, the Ambery Sage, is inspired by Tom Ford's Effing Fabulous, okay? So this, the Ambery Sage is inspired by Tom Ford, Effing Fabulous. And, all right, and the pink pepper here is inspired by Gucci Guilty. Okay. All right, this is the last one. Yes, giving Gucci Guilty for sure. Ooh, that smells so good, y'all. Ooh, absolutely amazing. So you guys go to my description box. Go ahead and hit that link, Dossier. And check out these scents. You will not be disappointed. And yes, mix them. Create your own scents, you know. But definitely go ahead and check them out. Ooh, it smells so amazing. So amazing. Boom. I just gave you some. All right, you guys, this I purchased. This is the 12 p.m. Studio shades that I purchased. And look, you guys, I saved it so that I can open it up with y'all. It's wrapped very beautiful. These are the 12 p.m. Studios by Janae Naylor. I know that you've seen them. They're everywhere. Look at that box. That box is gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I keep seeing the girls buying them, purchasing them, putting them on, and they look so amazing. My husband got this for me for Mother's Day. For Mother's Day. This along with, did I tell you guys that I got a pair of Meta shades? So my husband got me the Meta shades and then This right here is giving very nice. Ooh, ooh. Oh, her packaging is amazing. And you know what? The shades are not even that expensive, but look at her packaging. Look at this. This is so cute. Look how nice the case is. And like I said, it's not even that expensive, and her packaging is so amazing. Wow. Amazing for the price. All right, so it comes in this cute little dust baggie that also has 12 p.m. Studios on it. And this, ooh, Charlie, look at this. Beautiful. I'm so excited. You know I gotta try them on. I love this. So it's brown, kind of like with the yellow shades. Look how these are made very well. They're nice. Oh my goodness, these are so nice. All right, let's see. And here they are. How do they look, y'all? So cute. I love these. Oh, I can't wait to style these. These are gorgeous. Yep. Nice. I love it. You guys go ahead and try out the Dossier perfume. Go ahead. The bag, absolutely gorgeous bag. You guys make sure you check the link for that bag. I mean, carry her, honey. Carry her with dignity and pride, because that bag right there is absolutely cute. It is really cute. Amazing. Amazing. I am leaving Sephora's. Thank God I had my daughter with me. She knew exactly what I wanted and helped me, because I didn't get any assistance from out of that store whatsoever. They didn't even try to come and help me. Didn't even ask, do I need any help? However, I did see them ask other people, but you know how that goes.
You know how that goes.